Good morning, this is Blake, the cruise guide. So Carnival finally has new menus out. They are on almost all the ships now, but not quite all of them. So let's go over them now. So you can see here a list of ships. The Carnival Horizon, as of July 22nd, the new menu is on there. Carnival Sunrise, August 3rd. Carnival Vista, August 12th. Carnival Radiance, August 18th. Carnival Mardi Gras, August 19th. Carnival Breeze, September 2nd. The Carnival Panorama, September 2nd. The Carnival Celebration, September 9th. The Carnival Valor, September 18th. The Carnival Miracle, September 28th. The Carnival Glory, October 1st. And the Carnival Liberty, October 2nd. The Carnival Sunshine, October 19th. The Carnival Elation, October 21st. The Carnival Magic, October 22nd. The Carnival Paradise, November 9th. The Carnival Freedom, November 11th. The Carnival Spirit, November 25th. The Carnival Legend, December 3rd. And the Carnival Jubilee, December 23rd, which is actually the inauguration cruise. Let's go over the new day one menu now. It's important to remember that Carnival can change these menus at any time. Here are the appetizers. Pappardelle with braised lamb, the roasted duck rolls, shrimp cocktail, seasonal mixed lettuce, Caesar salad, roasted tomato soup, and the wild rice, Gruyere, and country chicken soup. So Emeril Lagasse has joined Carnival as their new chief culinary officer. So because of that, he has helped revamp all of the menus. And so that's why on this page you see Emeril Selects. So his appetizer of choice is the crawfish strudel, and his entree of choice is the barbecue salmon. Also, for an additional fee, you can still get the bonsai sushi ship, which comes with an assortment of rolls. Here are the entrees for day one: the Szechuan shrimp, the Cornish game hen, the 12-hour braised short rib, the pappardelle with braised lamb, and that is the same as the appetizer, except this is the entree portion, vegetable Wellington, and the featured Indian vegetarian. The featured salad is the ultimate Cobb salad. For the everyday entree items, we have the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. For your entrees, you are allowed 2 main entrees without having to pay extra. You're allowed unlimited appetizers and unlimited desserts. These are the menu items for the steakhouse selections. The steakhouse selection does have an extra charge. The surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin steak, and the grilled lamb chops. For day one's dessert, we have the cheesecake, the navel orange cake, the famous Carnival melting chocolate cake, a plate of fresh tropical fruit, and a selection of ice cream and now sorbet as well. We also have the cheese plate. Let's move on to day two's menu.
Where's Cheryl? Happy birthday! Woo!
For our day two starters, we have the crispy butter milk calamari, the crawfish fettuccine, the shrimp cocktail, the Caesar salad, the spinach salad, the chilled strawberry and chia seed, the cream of mushroom, and corn chowder. We still have the bonsai sushi ship for an extra fee. So for our Emeril Selects, we have the beef carpaccio as his appetizer choice. And for the main, we have the herb crusted salmon. So here are the rest of our mains. And for Emeril's featured salad, we have the tuna niçoise, which is served cold. Here are the rest of the menu items for day two: the crawfish fettuccine, the grilled jumbo shrimp and fish cake, the chicken cordon bleu, the slow-cooked prime rib, the roasted vegetable lasagna, and the featured Indian vegetarian. And our everyday items are the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. For our steakhouse selections, we have the surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin, and the grilled lamb chops. For our day 2 desserts, we have the creme brulee, the panna cotta, the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the fresh tropical fruit, and a selection of ice cream and sorbet. And we also have the cheese plate. Let's move on to our day 3 menu. These are the day 3 appetizers: the marinated chicken tenders, lasagna bolognese, shrimp cocktail, Greek salad, Caesar salad, chicken noodle soup, and the West Indian pumpkin soup. These are the Emeril Selects, the crab and shrimp cake appetizer, and the chicken roulade entree. The bonsai sushi ship for a fee will also be available. These are the day 3 entrees: grilled sword fish fillet, braised lamb shank, honey glazed pork loin, lasagna bolognese, herb crusted stuffed portobello mushroom, and the featured Indian vegetarian. Don't forget, you can get 2 entrees because I know these entrees look really good. The featured salad of the day is the Southwestern quinoa baby shrimp. The everyday items are the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak entree. For desserts, we have the banana cream pie, the cappuccino pot de creme, the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the plate of fresh tropical fruit, the selection of ice cream and sorbet, as well as the cheese plate. Let's go over our day 4 menu now. Here are the day 4 appetizers. We have the barbecue beef spring roll, the spaghetti carbonara, Hawaiian shrimp poke bowl, or maybe in this case it's a plate, shrimp cocktail, Caesar salad, broccoli and cheddar cheese soup, and the pasta fagioli soup. The Emeril Selects are the G-roll street salad and the cast iron bronzed fish entree. We also have the bonsai sushi ship for an additional fee. These are the entrees: southern fried chicken, roast leg of lamb, roasted sirloin of beef, spaghetti carbonara, the eggplant cutlet alla parmigiana, and the featured Indian vegetarian. The beef steak salad is the featured salad, and we have our everyday entree items: the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. The steakhouse selections are the surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin steak, and the grilled lamb chops. So depending on how many nights your cruise is, usually the last night, there's going to be baked Alaska. So this may not be accurate for your cruise, but we'll go over it anyways. The banana cream pie, the cappuccino pot de creme, Carnival melting chocolate cake, fresh tropical fruit, selection of ice cream and sorbet, cheese plate. Let's go over the day 5 menu. Here are our appetizers: frog legs, penny moriscos, shrimp cocktail, beet and petite greens, Caesar salad, Tuscan minestrone soup, parched pig ale and cheddar soup. The Emeril Selects are the fried tomato appetizer and the coffee glazed roast duck entree. And we have the bonsai sushi ship for an extra charge. For our entrees, we have the pan-seared barramundi, the jerk spiced pork chop, the braised beef brisket, the penny mariscos, which is the same as appetizer except this is the entree portion now, enchiladas, and the featured Indian vegetarian. For our featured salad, we have the Asian chopped salad with chicken. For our everyday entrees, we have the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. For our steakhouse selection, we have the surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin steak, and the grilled lamb chops. And of course, there's an extra charge for the steakhouse selection. For dessert, we have the baked Alaska, which is an ice cream cake with chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. I highly recommend that. We also have the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the fresh tropical fruit, and a selection of ice cream and sorbet, as well as the cheese plate. Let's go over the new day 6 menu now. Here are the appetizers: stuffed mushrooms, linguine and clams, shrimp cocktail, vine ripened tomatoes and chopped lettuce, Caesar salad, French onion soup, and the smoked poblano and corn soup. For the Emeril selects, we have the ceviche crudo for the appetizer, and the fried Mississippi catfish for an extra charge. For the entrees, we have the chicken parmigiana. This is the same one that's in the paid Italian restaurant. And I've seen some menus where the chicken parmigiana is not on the menu, but they have something else substituted instead. Barbecue pork spare ribs, pepper steak, linguine and clams, roasted artichoke potato and cheesecake, featured Indian vegetarian. The featured salad is the smoked salmon with farro and goat cheese. The everyday entrees are the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. For the steakhouse selections, we have the surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin steak, and the grilled lamb chops. For desserts, we have the tiramisu, the Bartlett pear almond cake, the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the fresh tropical fruit plate, the selection of ice cream and sorbet, and the cheese plate. Let's go over the day 7 menu. For appetizers, we have the fried shrimp, we have the jambalaya pasta, the shrimp cocktail, the mixed greens, the Caesar salad, the dill lemon comfort soup, and the baked potato and cheddar soup. The Emeril selects for this day are the antipasti and also the jambalaya pasta entree. And we also have the bonsai sushi ship as well for an extra charge. For the entrees, we have seafood Newburg, oven roasted turkey, the veal schnitzel, the classic beef Wellington, the baked vegetable au gratin, and the featured Indian vegetarian. The featured salad for the day is the chicken kale and farro. And then we have our everyday items, the grilled chicken breast and the broiled strip loin steak. For the steakhouse selection, we have the surf and turf, the broiled filet mignon, the New York strip loin steak, and the grilled lamb chops. For dessert, we have the Dutch double chocolate pave, the hazelnut mousse, the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the fresh tropical fruit, a selection of ice cream and sorbet, as well as the cheese plate. Let's go over the day 8 menu. Lobster is only served on 6+ night cruises, so you won't see lobster on 3, 4, or 5 night cruises. Only on 6 and 8 and plus cruises. So for an 8-night cruise, it's going to be on the second formal night, which is going to be this last night. Here are the starters: crispy buttermilk calamari, crawfish fettuccine, shrimp cocktail, Caesar salad, spinach salad, chilled strawberry and chia seed, cream of mushroom, corn chowder, and also the bonsai sushi ship for a fee. For the mains, the Emeril selects are the beef carpaccio and also the herb crusted salmon. For the featured salad is the tuna niçoise. The main entrees are the crawfish fettuccine, the broiled lobster tail, the chicken cordon bleu, the slow-cooked prime rib, the roasted vegetable lasagna, and the featured Indian vegetarian. We also have our everyday items, the grilled chicken breast, and the broiled strip loin steak. For our steakhouse selection, we have the surf and turf and the broiled filet mignon, as well as the New York strip loin and the grilled lamb chops. For our dessert, we have the creme brulee, the panna cotta, the Carnival melting chocolate cake, the fresh tropical fruit plate, selection of ice cream and sorbet, and the cheese plate. If you made it this far, thank you for watching and subscribing to Blythe the Cruise Guy. Appreciate you.